What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video. And today we're talking about, is Facebook marketing dead? Let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. Is Facebook marketing dead? So, I don't even know I'm like using that dark voice like dead. But nah, seriously. A lot of people think so. They think that Facebook marketing is dead. Okay, so to me, it all depends who you ask. Okay, some marketers say yes, some marketers say no. I feel like it all depends on what you're marketing and the customer you're marketing to. Okay, everyday people are getting older, you know what I'm saying, and used to online marketing ads. Okay, they're just getting older. We're getting used to seeing what we see on Facebook, right? Now, some things are appealing to older crowds and some are appealing to younger age crowds. This is just facts, and Facebook's crowd is getting older, not younger. Okay, according to Forbes, which is one of my favorite websites, loveforbes.com, 41%, almost half of its users on Facebook are over the age of 65. Okay, while it's by no means struggling, it's clear that Facebook is losing ground with the younger demographic, okay, who tend to prefer the more visual, interactive experiences offered by Instagram, Snapchat, and that rising star TikTok, which we all know at the time of this video might not be sticking around for too long. But also Facebook will kill your marketing posts with their sophisticated algorithm. So the only way to really gain any results is with paid marketing. So there are no longer the days when you could post about your business on Facebook without them killing the post. Okay. Yeah. All right. When I say kill the post, I mean less than 5% of the people that follow you will see it. Okay? So if you only have 300, 400, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 followers or friends on Facebook, only 5% of those 2,000 are going to see it. Okay? That's not a lot of people. And they're going to probably pass over because they're going to look like an advertisement to them. So Facebook is really just drilling down on marketing. And among other issues with Facebook's platform, one of the most annoying is the Messenger platform. To me, okay, the constant spamming and direct marketing in the Messenger is where your marketing efforts can truly fail. Because people don't want to see that stuff, okay? So, I know you're asking yourself, right? What do you do as an online marketer that doesn't have a big budget for paid marketing and you want success fast? I say focus your marketing efforts on video content. You don't have to just focus on YouTube either, okay? This is not a plug for YouTube. You can upload to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, I think even Pinterest, Venmo. I'm sorry, not Venmo. What is it? Starts with a V. Wait, you know what I'm talking about, okay? You can upload one video and draw attention from 4 different social media platforms. 4 different platforms with one video, maybe even 5, without feeling like you're spamming. So, Facebook you don't have to always go with, okay? Facebook is not the end-all be-all. Now, to wrap all this up, yes, Facebook is dead for certain niches to market their products because it's losing ground with the younger crowd, like Generation Z. You know what I'm saying? Z. Like Wealthbuilderz with a Z. Okay? So, make sure you do your research and know who you need to market your products to. Because you don't want to waste money, time, effort by sitting on a dead social media site for your niche. Okay? So, thanks for watching. It's your boy Devon signing off for Is Facebook Marketing Dead? Check out the link in the description and sign up for the free, I said free, Wealthbuilderz newsletter, where you stay on top of the current business news, learn how to make more money, save more money, build a better you and business. Do you remember Wealthbuilderz? Make more, save more, build more.